This powerful, extensive class trains you in all aspects of logo design process, including logo design theory, execution, working with typography, selecting color palettes, preparing and exporting files, and how to work with Adobe Illustrator to create stunning logos. Not only that, but this course teaches you how to work with clients by following several full logo design projects from start to finish. And we talk about what type of questions to ask clients before starting the logo design process. For the theory section of the course, we dive into logo design categories and also review all of the different logo design styles while showing stellar examples of each. I go over the characteristics of strong logo designs and walk you through this using real-world companies. Lastly, we can't talk about logo design theory without talking about the power of color as we review the color psychology chart. The next section is for those needing a crash course in Adobe Illustrator as we review all of the most used tools we'll use in the class, including the width, shape builder, offset path, gradient tools, and also using layering masks and more. Afterwards, we'll work through an entire logo design process from scratch. We'll learn how to quickly get ideas on paper and turn those rough ideas into real workable designs we can present to our client. We will walk through each step of the journey as we work on finding those final concepts to present, and we'll create a mood board to find our perfect color matches and finish off our logo with the final touches. Our next section dives deep into the golden ratio in logo design. We'll create from scratch the golden ratio spiral and create the golden ratio circles we'll need to start to adapt our designs to this golden ratio. And we'll do several practice projects as well. We will then take this logo all the way through to the end, including creating variations and sizes we'll need to adapt this logo to just about anything. We'll also create polished designs by learning how to use Photoshop mockups. We'll then use our downloadable file export guide that's supplied in the class to learn how to export and give specific files to our clients. The next section goes over portfolio building basics and several places and steps to find clients and to get client referrals so you could start building and thinking about getting your design business up and running. This course is packed full of downloadable resources, including a client questionnaire document, logo styles and categories cheat sheet, a color wheel and color psychology documents, a finding clients resource guide, and a file export guide, a golden ratio cheat sheet, and a font pairing guide, and so much more. This class is extensive, but is gentle and paced well enough for beginners to work through the course. There are both beginner and intermediate level topics discussed, with some advanced topics discussed later on in the course. This will be for anyone interested in working through a course that has a deep focus on logo design, or any designer who wants to fine-tune their logo design and presentation skills. So, are you ready to up your logo design game? Let's get started.